Hey dancers, it's Miss Selman. Today we're going to learn how to cha-cha. The cha-cha is a lively dance that comes from Cuba. What's special about the cha-cha is that you need a partner. In dance, partner work happens when two dancers work together to complete a dance movement. Find a partner and let's get started. In order to learn the cha-cha, we need to learn our cha-cha chant. Repeat after me. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Great. Now we will learn the steps. Partner A, find your right foot. We'll step back with our right leg first. We'll go back, step, a cha-cha-cha. Great. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, and we go back, step, a cha-cha-cha. Great job, partner A. Partner B, you're gonna start with your left foot. But instead of going back, you're going to go forward first. Let's try partner B. We go front, step, a cha-cha-cha. Great job, partner B. Let's try it one more time. All right, partner A, let's find your right foot. You're gonna start and step back with your right foot. Then step forward. Let's try that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, step back, step forward. That is going to serve as your 1, 2. Partner B, let's find your left foot. You're going to step forward with your left foot to go front, back. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, and step front, step back. That is going to serve as your 1, 2. Now let's go back to partner A. Partner A, you went back, front. Now you're going to add your cha-cha-cha. Make sure you add all your energy with your cha-cha-cha. Let's try that again, partner A. We're starting with our right foot, going back. 5, 6, 7, and you go back to a cha-cha-cha. Good. Let's try it one more time, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, and back to a cha-cha-cha. Great job, partner A. Partner B, let's add on to yours. Find your left foot and we're going forward. We go front, 2. Now you'll add your cha-cha-cha. Great job. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, and you go front, 2, a cha-cha-cha. Let's try it just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and you go front, 2, a cha-cha-cha. Great job, partner A and partner B. Now you're ready to try it with your partner. Today, I have Miss Young here to help me. She's going to be partner A. So her first step is going to go back with her right foot. I am going to be partner B. So my first step is going to go forward with my left foot. Let's try it. Face your partner. 5, 6, 7, and we go 1, 2, a cha-cha-cha, and a 1, 2, a cha-cha-cha. Again, 1, 2, a cha-cha-cha, and a 1, 2, a cha-cha-cha. Great work today, dancers. Now you know how to do the cha-cha with a partner. See you next time.